this channel. I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So the last few weeks, we did learn about how to say no in 3 different ways in Yoruba language. And I want to believe that by now, you know it very well, like the back of your hand, and you've been making conversations with no in 3 different ways. So today, we're going to be learning how to say yes in 3 different ways in Yoruba language. But before we go into all that today, you know we have to greet everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Eni o, Eji o, Eta oya o, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Aunty Deke. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi mélòó kan sẹ́yìn, a kọ́ nípa bí a ti ń sọ rárá ní ọ̀nà mẹ́ta ní èdè Yorùbá. Ní ti tòní, a máa kọ́ bá ti ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ní ọ̀nà mẹ́ta ní èdè Yorùbá. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni màá fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys. So today we're going to be learning how to say yes in 3 different ways in Yoruba language. So the first one, and the most common of all, that 99.9, if not 100% of Yoruba people know how to say is Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Okay? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni is very simple. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Did you get that? Fantastic. Now, another way of saying yes in Yoruba is oh. The one you know, look at Deke. What is that? Oh. So back in the days, if someone wants to say something to you and they want you to come back to them with a reply, they will say to you that they haven't heard a yes from you, or they expect a yes from you. They will say, oh, ti Gemini o. Oh, ti Gemini o. That means you have not replied me your yes. Oh, ti Gemini o. So another way of saying yes in Yoruba is oh. Oh. So the first one is what? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. The second one is oh. And then the third one is oda. Oda. So if someone asks you, is this thing good? Oda. You're saying yes. If someone asks you, let's say, oh, I'm going out, so I'll see you later. You say oda. Okay? So you're saying, okay, yes, oda, oh, bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Did you get that? So, what are the 3 ways of saying yes in Yoruba language? The first one and the most common one is bẹ́ẹ̀ni. The second one is what? Oh. And the third one is what? Oda. Alright, guys. And that is it for today. And then until I see you next time, you know we have to say our order but together. On the